Hello, this video will show you how to use the Perspective Grid tool. This tool allows you to easily create artwork in different perspectives. It is common that this tool is used to create cityscapes and visualize package designs. In the past, you may have clicked on this tool by accident and not known how to remove it. There are two ways. Go to View, Perspective Grid, Hide Grid, or press the keybind Command-Shift-I. There are three presets for perspectives: 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. There's also space so you can save your own presets. If you want to scale or shape the grid, press Shift-P. You can move the grid here. You can also shape the perspective in these places: here, 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 here. This square allows you to change the number of squares in your grid. In order to select which plane you want to work on, you need to click on the corresponding plane in this small widget up here. Mine is pretty small. I'm sorry about that. Select the blue plane, the leftmost square. This will let you draw shapes on the blue perspective. Select the orange grid, the rightmost square, and draw a square on it. Finally, you can click on the bottom square, the green square, and draw squares on it. The outside area, the circle around the square, has no perspective. Congratulations, you've made a perspective. This works the same for all perspective grids. Here is an example of a 1-point perspective. If you had artwork you wanted to place in perspective, press Shift-V and drag it onto the grid. It automatically forms to the perspective. We can do this with text as well. And you can change your type by double-clicking on it. And that concludes my tutorial on the Perspective Grid tool. I will have an activity for you to complete so we know you understand how to use this tool. Also, I have another tutorial concerning the Blend tool. Don't forget to check that out. Thanks. Bye.